Hello again. In this quick demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly schedule your backups of your business objects environment through the tool 360 Plus. So, as you see here, we're already logged into the 360 suite of tools, and what I've done here is clicked on the Schedule tab. Once you click on the Schedule tab, you can come over here, and one thing I had to do was go ahead and make sure my 360 Plus server was started. So I've gone ahead and done that. Then I clicked on Schedule Backups. When I go into the Schedule Backups now, you can see any backups that you've already done in the past. So I've already gotten a full backup and so on taken care of in my system. Now, in a big system, your first full backup could take quite a while, as it will back up everything in your system or what you've selected to do. After that, it does what we call a delta backup, which means any subsequent backups will only back up things that have changed, any objects that have changed in your environment. So in this case, let's go ahead and we're going to create a new backup task. Okay, so I click on that plus sign over here, and you'll see a new window open up where you can actually give it a task title. So in this case, we're going to say, I want to back up the users in my system. Okay, so we're going to call this backup users. And then within here, as you scroll down, you have some options where you can select the areas that you would like to back up in your business objects environment. So in this case, as we go down through, I can say I want to select all the users or all the user groups, or I can select specific user groups by clicking on that and then going ahead and selecting particular user groups that I want to back up. Okay, so in this case, let's go ahead and just say click on user groups. Now, for a full backup, you're going to probably want to go ahead and select all the objects that are available to you here in your business objects environment. So I'd go ahead and select everything here. But in this case, again, we're just doing user groups. And then as you scroll down, you have a frequency set up. Okay, we can say I want to run the backup now. I want to run it just once. I want to run it every so many hours and every so many days, weeks, and months. Okay. So once you've got that set up, in this case we're just going to run one for right now. You also have the options to actually kick off a backup based on certain events in your system. You can tell the system how many, the maximum number of backups that you want to run. If we want to include subfolders or different instances, personal folders, inboxes, personal categories, all of that is available to you. Okay, so they give you a nice detailed breakdown of this. So we're basically, for this demonstration, going to go ahead and just do the user groups. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule that. Okay, so we can come down here now and click close, and you'll see here that this has now been scheduled to take off. Okay, and if we look here and open up the, it provides you a log console. And you can see how quick that was. I went ahead and backed up, and here's my user groups that were backed up. Okay, so that quickly shows you how easy it is to set up a backup, schedule a backup, have it run so many days if you want, and so on. Thank you for listening.